Yo, what's up, dudes? Okay, I gotta show you something. The city is not giving us a break. Like, what is this, man? It is snowing. What the fuck? Seriously, a couple of days ago, it was actually starting to turn nice. And this godforsaken city decides to hit us with this. Like, for reals. I've had it. I'm moving to either LA or Asia. Oh yeah, by the way, I got a really super short haircut, so please, no judgments. Since we're gonna be stuck all day, well, honestly, it's this kind of weather that just motivates me to stay in. Since we're gonna be stuck inside anyway, decided that we're just gonna be productive with our time and we'll do some Wave 5 merch photos. So what I've done is I've actually set up our photo booth in this corner in the basement. New year, new designs, and I'm pretty stoked to show you guys what we've been working on. And then of course, our prototype gloves and the first ever sweatpants from King's Mr. Eyes. So today, just photo day, catch up with ourselves and prep. Let's just get this day started. Hoodies galore. We got socks. We're moving from Big Cartel to Shopify. At the end of the day, I think Shopify is just a lot more articulate of a platform to be, or an e-commerce platform to be able to sell your merch. I think it's actually a lot more user-friendly in that it has a lot of apps that you can actually put into your own website that help you out in the long run. So, all right guys, this is it, our cheap photo booth setup. I actually just got this white background and stands from eBay. It came in a pack. It also came with these lights, so it's good enough for what it is. You guys have noticed that my camera is being shaky in my most recent vlogs. It's because I broke my GorillaPod and I'm actually just holding the camera with my hand. And I mean, the longer I hold it up, the heavier it gets, so my hand starts shaking. Sorry for that. I don't blame you guys for clicking away from this video. I need some props for this photo session. Damn, that's actually weighted. Dude, I thought this was just a prop. Yes. And it's red. This is sick, dude. Holy mother, it's getting hot in here. Someone turned up the heat. If it's like over 25, man, we gotta limit the heat usage in this house. Close to 25. I put a limiter on this. This is my limiter. And someone's moved it like 3 times. What the fuck? This is how we cut down on the energy consumption. Honestly, we gotta tell these kids upstairs to start minding, man. They're not very courteous of other people. Okay, look at this. Every time I come upstairs in the morning, and I'm usually one of the first ones awake in this house, these lights are always on. I don't know who leaves it on, but I taped it down, and for the past 3 days, it's worked. Look, I put clear tape over this, so you can't even press this button. You can press everything else, but this one, you can't. I'd say my solution worked because these lights haven't been on for the past 3 days, ever since I put the tape on. So I figured if I put limiters and tape on everything in this house, maybe our energy bill wouldn't be so high every month. There. Plus, like, it feels like I'm the only one in this house that actually puts an effort to clean up. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm just bored. Okay, let us enjoy the snow day. This is sick, bro. Got more props. We got them socks. And of course, you got them cup noodles. This is where we got the inspiration. Shout outs, Articulated, my brother, for designing this shirt. All right, let's do this. Prototypes and key tags. This is where we're going to be taking photos of all of the new merch. Sweet. So typically, if you're doing a photo booth setup like this, it's best to use natural lighting, but if you're in a basement like we are, it's okay to use external light sources. And for your setup, it's best to point the lights both from each side at a 45-degree angle for equal lighting. So I'm pretty much done with the photos now. My brother's over. He's playing some Ratchet and Clank on PS4. Yo, what up, bruh? Yo. Now that we're finished all of the photos, we gotta transfer it onto the computer, and I'm gonna show you guys how I edit my photos for the online web store. So let's take this SD card out and we'll go onto the computer. You guys don't necessarily need like an expensive photo booth setup. The one that I picked up from eBay was $100 and it came with several backgrounds. You got a green screen, black screen, and also the white screen, which you only need like a small portion of depending on your lens or your camera. As long as you have like photo editing, photo manipulation software like Photoshop, then you're able to do this kind of stuff. Ooh. Actually, now the sun's out, I've decided I'm gonna come to the garage. My friend Lewis actually has a body kit that he wants to try and install on his Tiburon, so I told him just bring the kit by and we'll give it a shot. We'll try and help him out. Yeah, so we're at the garage and my car is dirty as fudge. I think I heard someone knocking in the front, but I didn't open it in time, so maybe he's coming around in the back now. Oh, sweet. Lewis, what up, dude?
Good, bro.
Good, good?
Good to see you, man.
Yeah, you too.
Here we go.
Time to see this thing.
Yeah.
Damn, son.
Let's just squeeze it in here.
Yeah, alright. It's a Duraflex replica. We've played around with Duraflex before, and what I can tell you is just to save yourself the trouble, just go for real. Sometimes you're low on funds and real can get expensive, so your next best choice is the cheaper replicas. Duraflex, Carbon Creations, I know VIS Racing does replicas, but those are a little more higher quality. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we're gonna give it a shot, okay? Let's do it. After a little bit of research, I found out that this entire body kit is based off of the Spec R Tiburon kit, but obviously this is a Duraflex. We are gonna have to do some adjusting. Do have to take off the headlights to be able to take off the front bumper of the Tiburon, where there are clips and holes on the original or the OEM Tiburon front bumper. They aren't actually on this one. Just gonna have to play it by ear and hope everything fits. I mean, as close as we can get it. While I wait for Lewis to bring back his Tiburon, I have to go fix the flooring upstairs. I hear it. You can keep going, yeah. How's it going, man?
Good, how are you, man? Bronson.
Good. Bronson? Pleasure, man. Randy.
Hold on, let me pick up my tag. I'll represent Monster Realty.
To take off the front bumper of the 2004 Tiburon, just gotta take off the headlights first, and there's two bolts. It's not too bad. kit actually doesn't come with pre-drilled holes, so we have to mark exactly where we're going to be drilling them. I'm going to show you guys how you can mark them off using a paint marker.
It's super weird. Yeah, that car as well. Yeah. So I think it would end up costing me like 67.
Might actually just have to do a little bit of adjusting here, but honestly, super close. Alright, here's my solution. So this is how we're going to be attaching the Duraflex kit. I've made a little incision right here. We are basically just going to stick this in, and we're going to be using the OEM hole right here. Paint that hole right there. Now you probably won't get it the first time around. Give it a shot. Same with here. Alright, so we got this, then under here on both sides. This one's actually really close to the edge. Now that you have a small idea of where the holes are, we can make our pilot holes. Don't want to make more work for yourself, that's all. I'm even kind of skeptical at where the holes are. We'll use a small drill bit and we'll go from there. Rear bumper off, we can test fit, final piece. Moment of truth. Progress. So right now we're transferring the fog lights onto the aftermarket bumper, and this is what they're giving you to work with. I had to cut a lot of this, but it doesn't look too bad. These fog lights fit better on this side. As you can see, the imperfections here. We're gonna try to even this out with the Dremel tool. So far we've done like one side skirt. The other side skirt is going to be pretty simple, and yeah, it was just a matter of transferring the fog light brackets onto the aftermarket bumper, and the sides were kind of a pain to get in, but we did it. Break time. Yo, Lewis with the Earl's hookup.
Yeah.
Dude, yours looks good too. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Selection. I took a template, I sized this up using green tape. Now I just have to drill these ones. So for this part, we're just using 3M. You guys want to hear what boreless sounds like on a Tiburon? Second side skirt on. Front bumper and fog lights are on. This side skirt. Last but not least, hoping that the rear bumper is a lot easier. Look how much they're missing from this kit. But it's pretty close. Lines up with this fender line, so it's all good. Alright, finishing touches. Yo, blame Duraflex for this little gap. We got it as close as we possibly could. Then you go on this side, same deal. I had to cut a lot right here. So, rear bumper finally on. I'd say pretty much complete. Took half a day, exactly 12 hours. Lewis got here at around like 2 p.m. and now it's 2 a.m. in the morning. Let's get those wheels on, put this on the ground. Good work. Yeah, no worries, man. All the kit is on, other than a few little gaps that we can fill up. Did good. Lewis, cheers, man. Cool. Drive safe. I hope to God that kit stays on. Woohoo! It's April. Lord, please just give the city a break. I'm about ready to pass out. And also, I'm done with this weather. Truth be told, I bet you it's gonna take the city like another month after all of the snow melts to actually do something about the gravel on the roads. So, even when the snow is melted, we still have to be careful. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you were able to learn something from it, and if you did, drop a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there.
Gotta dress like Eskimos, cause you know, it's still winter here for us.